Hi, this is bomaker and I'm using it from last 6 weeks. I used about I think 25 hours so far. Enjoyed with my family. It's still a beautiful picture as I told you before. I'm playing on my normal firestic, not 4K, and this 4K HD video playing on YouTube, and still the quality is really good. Even though my light in the room is on the side, but not much difference in the picture quality. I can still watch nicely. This is bomaker, as you can see. And if I go near the screen, this is nice. I got Optima Derby, and I got my in focus, which is as well 1080p. But honestly, bomaker is not letting me down. It's still giving me great picture quality. I use all three of them in different rooms, but I still love my bomaker. I bought it from Amazon and doing really well for me. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you will get one of them. Thank you. Bye.